Okay, here I am. This is my Project 8 video submission. So let's say I'm April Ludgate. I'm going to log in as April. And my first story is about extending a user detail page with usage. So here you can see on April's detail page the most recently updated photo and the most commented photo. Now, this is sort of boring because April only has one photo, but if we go to Ray Kenobi's page, her most recently uploaded photo was this one, and if I click on it, I can go straight to the page, and I can go back, and you can see that this most commented photo has 2 comments, whereas all of her other photos have only 1 or 0. The next story was the visibility settings for photos. So we can try this. So let's say April wants to add a photo. So she's going to choose a file. And here's a photo of a park. And she's going to share it with her friends, Peregrine Took and Ray Kenobi. And that's been uploaded. And in a second, I'll show you what it looks like to look at the photo as someone else. But first, let's now try adding a photo of April. And maybe April is a very private person and doesn't want to share it with anyone at all. So just leave the choose sharing button blank and submit it. That's also been uploaded. So now if I go to April's page, and I'm going to turn off advanced features so you can see all of the photos, you can see first this picture of the park and then also a picture of her. Okay, so let's log out and log back in as Ellen Ripley, who we haven't seen yet. And here, if we go to April's page and click on her photos, you can see only one photo of the dog. Let's log back out and log in as Ray Kenobi. Oops. Now if we go to April's page, we can see 2 photos, the dog and the park, but not the private picture of herself. Okay, the next story was the activities feed. So here we either have this activities button in the toolbar, and if you click on it, you can see the last 5 stories, which are, in this case, a user login, user logout, and so on, and then April's photo upload. If we click on this photo thumbnail, we end up on this page with the photos again. And if advanced features is turned on, then it's only the picture of the park. And let's try opening a new tab and registering a new user. So I'm going to be Winnie the Pooh. So now Winnie the Pooh has been registered. So I'm going to log in. And if I now go back to Ray Kenobi's activities feed and click the refresh button, you can see that Winnie was registered and Winnie's login. The last story is the recent activities associated with each user. And so here you can see the 3 people we tried logging in as, April, Ray, and Ellen. Actually, I have to refresh to get Winnie the Pooh included. But you can see their latest activities were user logins and user logouts. If I, as Ray, go to, say, one of Peregrine's photos and type in a comment, now automatically this feed gets updated with the latest activity of a new comment and a thumbnail of the photo, which leads directly to the photo, although we're already on it, so you can't see it. But from here, for example. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.